everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we are going to be making Chick-Fil-A nuggets. I've got the stuff together here and Daniel's going to be frying them up. What you'll need is 2.5 pounds of chicken just cut up into chunks, 1 cup of pickle juice, which I save my pickle juice. It's good for colds and acid reflux. It's good for leg cramps. Then you'll need 1/2 cup of milk. For your dry mixture, you'll need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's get started. Okay, I've got my 1/2 cup of milk in here. I'm going to put my 1 cup of pickle juice. And then I'm going to add the chicken. Maybe. Hold on, I can't do this with one hand. Okay, I've got the chicken in the milk and the pickle juice. I'm going to let this set for about an hour, and then Daniel's going to take over.
Alrighty folks, now we're going to mix all this up together. You've seen my handy dandy bowl here. For me, it's the easiest way to mix everything up here. Get all that off there. Now, I'll put the lid on and I'll shake it all up. Now, open it up here. And it's all shaken together. Everything is combined up real good. Alrighty folks, I'll be back here in a few minutes there and we'll start frying it up. Alright, we're getting ready to bread these and we'll get them thrown in the deep fryer. Get just a couple more there for a batch there. There we go. Sure it's sealed up good, no catastrophes. Just gonna shake it all around there.
This is Daniel's favorite thing to bread chicken or bread meat with.
Yes, it works out very good. It gets, you can see how well coated it is. Every piece has got flour and the seasonings and all on it. Alright, we'll move over here to the deep fryer. See you here in just a second. Now in the deep fryer, try not to get burned. Just a little bit of a burning. Now the recipe says cook them 6 to 8 minutes, but for its littler pieces, I would check on it, make sure. I'd check on it in 4 minutes, probably. Now, I did say 4 minutes. The recipe actually says 6 to 8, but once I started frying it, I done it for 4 minutes the first time, and that is a little bit dark, and it was going over 200 degrees. So I done it for 2 minutes. It just depends on the size of your chicken, that's all.
Alright folks, Daniel fixed this chicken up here and we got the salad. I tried it, I like it. Daniel and Carolyn said need to cut back on the sugar in the coating, but like I said, I like it, so we'll go with them. My taste buds has been a little messed up anyway ever since that one virus that was going around. So go ahead and cut back on the sugar. We'll have the recipe in the description. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all for watching.